Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Hopefully, you guys are having a great weekend. I know it's been raining, but still quite muggy out there. But anyway, that's here in Toronto. Maybe where you're at, it's nice traveling, using up the last days of August before your kids have to go back to school or whatever. Um, so today I'm going to do things in two steps, mostly because I'm heading out for some fun brunch with friends. So I'm going to get part one done, and then I'll do part two when we come back in the afternoon. Part two, we'll be making our own kale salad and coleslaw. So I'm going to get some cabbage, some kale. Kale, I gotta, massage and everything and chop up the cabbage, probably the mandolin, maybe the food processor, haven't decided. And then some radishes in that. So Vic wants a spicier coleslaw, so put some radishes and things in that. If I can get some fennel, I might do that. See what I can get at the green grocer across the street. Mostly because I like those kale bag ones, but they're expensive and don't always last because of the bag and what's been done with them. So I'm gonna make our own later on today. Yesterday, we cooked down the beef bones from the beef ribs that we made earlier, a few days ago. Chopped up all the meats in the fridge, and then we boiled it down, and I strained it, took the fat off, and now it's in the 1 cup freezer containers. Of course, you could just put it right into a freezer bag or however it is that you want to put it into the freezer. So that's done. Next is I've got some pork chops. We've been having way too much chicken, so we're attempting not to right now. Just picking some options for what to brine in. So I'm going to do the barbecue chicken and rib on 2 of them. Okay, that's that one, and then some water. And if you're, oops, a little bit of salt. And that's that one. You can use your meal solutions work as well. I was contemplating the sticky orange chicken or any of the flavors you might want. I'm going to do Tuscan chicken on the other one. Just sprinkle on both sides. Okay. All right. That's it. That's those 2, or those sets. Out of the way. All right, so there are the pork chops going to brine. I was even thinking lemon pepper. You could use lemon garlic. Lemon chicken garlic go great. Yeah. Oh, there it is. I'm like, I had 4 bags. Lemon ozo. Anyway, Portuguese, whatever you might want as a flavor profile. Make it a little hot or not. All right, so now I'm going to make myself some iced tea for the week. And this is just our ginger mule one. Just a reminder, our teas are going away at the end of summer. So if you want your ginger mule or the Bella Bellini that was back, or the, can't remember what else there was. But anyway, there's a bunch of them. This is how I make my tea. So 4 bags, half hot water or warmish water, the rest cold, throw it into the fridge, let it go. Kind of day, I'll pull out the bags, and then I'm good to go. So that's it. That's all I'm going to do this morning. 5 minutes. Super simple. Took me probably longer to set up for the live than it was to make everything. And as I said, when we come back after having an awesome brunch with friends, we will get the veggies going. And I won't make it into a salad, that one. It'll be just separate, and then we can grab and make as we want throughout the week, so that way it lasts for the week. So no dressing or anything in it. It'd just be kale ready to go. Cabbage done, everything. That way I can just grab at my lunches, make a meal in 5 minutes because everything's prepped. Maybe add in some pork pieces, whatever it might be. Easy enough to make some beef broth if I want some soup for later, or use that for making a stew or something. And there you go. So that's where we're at right now. Reminder, I'm still having the customer appreciation event happening until today. So you can still hit me up with your order. Whether just go online and I will send it back to your special, your 10% back, or you can just email me or DM me with your order and I'll take care of it for you, whichever it might be. And what else? Oh, of course, I have to talk about a really awesome 5-year anniversary special that we have going on for being your own ambassador. It's pretty awesome. You get a minimum of 20% back, never mind more than like everything else. But if you're looking to like always have a discount, like maybe you do with memberships with like other companies, whether maybe it's Arbonne or doTERRA or there's a hair one, I don't remember. Anyway, there's a bunch of other ones out there that all do that. They have this membership. Our membership is really just being your own ambassador, and that's how you get back the percentage. And you don't have to buy every month or anything like that. You can buy as long as it's a minimum amount, which is 250 QV, which doesn't always mean $250, over a 3-month period. If you're here just to offset your grocery bill, I recommend at least once every other month, or you have an event, grab some friends and family together and you all buy, and then that's how you do it. Or you can turn it into a business like I have and actually make money, which means get a group, start talking to your friends and family, have events, do whatever it is that really works for you and your family. So yeah, that's it. Have an awesome Sunday. I will be back later on live doing my veggie prep. Otherwise, have a great day, and don't forget to send me your orders for our customer appreciation event.